Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be decorating a bedroom for my sister-in-law. She just got her new place and I am going to hook it up for her. So meet Karen. So you already have some items in the room. You have a dresser. You already have the headboard. We found a really nice headboard at Ross the other day. So we have that in the room already, and also an area rug. And what are some things you would like to see in the room?
I would like to see some gold, maybe. I really love gold. I don't know, I'm kind of leaving it up to you.
Okay.
I would love a makeup vanity, something my style, maybe with mirror, I don't know.
You mentioned something about your comforter. You already have that as well, and your accent color is green.
Yeah.
Okay, so she has a quilt. The color of it is green, so that's, you know, we have to work around what she already has. So we're definitely going to hook it up. I'm going to go to the store and do some shopping. Hey guys, so I just want to quickly interrupt this video and let you guys know that this video is being sponsored by Levoit. This is a hybrid ultrasonic humidifier that I want to tell you guys about, and it is really great to have in your home. Definitely a great home essential. Now this humidifier isn't like your average humidifier on the market. This one has a warm and cool mist. So this is the box that it comes in, and when you get it, it will be assembled for you already. All you have to do is fill the tank with water, and it is recommended that you use filtered water in your tank. So you have all of your functions on the front, and you also get a description of what everything is in the instruction manual. It also comes with the remote with the same functions on it as well, which is great. Now I really love this humidifier in particular because it tells you the humidity level in your home, and you can also program this humidifier to adjust to a certain level. And I like to keep mine around 50%, so that's what I'm going to program my humidifier for. And once it reaches 50%, it will shut off automatically. You can also diffuse your favorite essential oil with this humidifier, which is something you don't see with most, so that's also great as well. So if you have issues with the humidity in your home, then this is definitely something you should get your hands on. And not only is it helping to control the humidity levels, but you also get a nice fragrance coming from the machine because you can use your favorite essential oils, and I just love that. You definitely don't see that with most humidifiers, so this is definitely a recommended item. I will have the links for it in the description box, and I do want to give a really big thanks to Levoit for sponsoring this video. Alright guys, so I am at Home Goods right now to see if I can find some of the items that I need in the space, and I am working around what she already has in the space. So I'm definitely going to try to stick with neutrals and gold because that's what she likes, and she also loves dark pieces like dark furniture. Let's go inside and see what we can find, and then we can head back to the room and start decorating. That's what I found. This really beautiful vanity. It has some damage. I'm gonna find a way to cover that up because it's not too bad, but you guys cannot really see it. And when I get it to the house, I'll show you guys. But it has this and the chair. Okay guys, so I am done shopping. I am in the room and I want to show you guys what's going on so far. So like she mentioned earlier, she has a rug and the headboard we found at Ross, and I went ahead and put the nightstands in here as well. I found those at Kirkland's. And just to talk a little bit about the headboard, so when we first found it at Ross, we didn't realize that this is for a platform styled bed, and you can tell because the holes for the screws are in the front of the bed. Now if this was for a regular bed that sits off the floor, then the holes would be on the back of the bed, and it would also come with legs. So this didn't come with any legs, so we weren't able to attach the legs to the back of the headboard because there isn't any wood behind it, because this is made to be a platform bed and it's made to have screws on the front of it. But it still worked out in our favor because you will use pillows to cover that up, and you guys already know I love to DIY and revamp things. So instead of taking it back to the store, I decided to use some legs from a headboard that I was no longer using at my place and put it on this one, and I think it turned out better than expected, and I'm gonna tell you why. So not only were we able to raise the headboard off of the floor, but it was able to raise high enough for this to look like an oversized headboard, like something you would get custom made from the store. And I'm not worried about this bottom part showing here because, you know, with this being made for a platform bed, the mattress is supposed to go in front of this black area. But when you use accent pillows like the big 24 by 24 pillows, it's going to cover all of this and you will not see it at all. It's going to be out of sight, out of mind, and the results are going to be amazing. I can just picture it now. And on this side of the room, she already has a dresser that we mentioned earlier, and we're not going to do anything with this wall because she does plan to put a TV here. So this is going to be left untouched, and I'm just going to focus on the rest of the room. Now, Karen really loves to do her makeup, so I was able to find this really beautiful vanity at Tuesday morning, and it did have some damage to it, so the store gave me a really nice discount, and the damage is so minor I can definitely cover that up. So I was really excited to find it because she loves dark wood, and this is so beautiful. It has a mirror on it, and she's definitely gonna love it. I mean, I fell in love with it at the store, so I know she's gonna love it. I'm gonna set that up right now, and then we're gonna start decorating. Hey guys, so I completely forgot to mention in the intro that this is a rental, so painting the walls or doing anything extravagant that could cause damage to the room is not an option. And we are also working on a tight budget, so all finds were either on clearance or at a really good price, so I will have everything in the description box.
I go anywhere, anywhere with you, cause you fill my mind, or you fill my mind. We could build a dream, start up something new, let the old be dead, let the shadows leave my head. When the world is on your shoulders and you feel like falling over, just come a little closer. I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you, cause when we are together, I know you feel the tension. Just let me in your head so I can be there for you, there for you. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? We do it on repeat. Stay awake till the night is through, with you by my side, with you by my side. Though we've only met, let me dive into your ocean with my heart open. When the world is on your shoulders and you feel like falling over, just come a little closer. I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you, cause when we are together, I know you feel the tension. Just let me in your head so I can be there for you, there for you. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me?
Alright guys, so I am done with the room and I am so excited about it. It's better than expected. So this is the before and this is the after. Alright guys, so Karen is back and I'm going to show her the reveal.
Oh my god, I can't wait.
Oh my god.
my goodness, I love this. Oh, snap. This is nice. Gold everywhere. Are you kidding me right now? That is so nice. Oh, I like this.
Oh yeah,
This is for like my drink, right?
Yep.
Oh,
You said you wanted to see something like that. Yeah.
that's awesome. Yes, because I was so scared about damaging, you know, my night table or whatever. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Yes. Yes. Oh my god, Keisha. You. Oh my goodness. This is so lit right now. Oh my gosh. Wow. I can't wait to do my makeup here. Yes. I love this. This is so cute. I would have never think of stuff like this for myself. Oh, look at right until you see this. This is so nice. You know what? I was always worried about like people seeing me through here, like right here. So this is perfect right now. Thank you.
Aww.
You did a great job. Thank you.
So that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Sis loves the makeover, and I'm so happy. You know we're gonna be having girls' nights right up in here.
What?
Gonna get the wine. You know, when we get the TV and everything going, we're gonna be watching The Bachelor.
Oh yeah.
We have a lot of catching up to do too, because it's like two of I haven't seen any, but
I haven't seen
the
three,
past,
I believe. Three.
Yeah, 3. Oh yeah, we're gonna be binge watching The Bachelor with some wine, girls' night, and all of this gold glory. Cannot wait. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching and you got some inspiration. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.